Hello there. So today we're just gonna get into geometry on this channel that we try to make have fun with mathematics. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you some cool stuff that you can do in geometry. So we introducing geometry today. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram handle, Russell M Mathematics. Okay, so even for tutoring inquiries and all that other kind of stuff, you can just DM me onto that Instagram handle, or you can ask me on the comment section. Okay, and if this video is something that you really like or something that has been very helpful to you, please remember to like the video and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification button so that you can get updates of every video that I post. Okay, so today what we are going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line. I'm going to explain that in a bit what that is, and we're going to learn how to draw how to construct and bisect a 90-degree angle without using a protractor, just using ruler and compass. And we're also going to learn how to construct and bisect 60-degree angles without using a protractor either, and we're going to do some really cool stuff with that. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get into it. Okay, let me first start by explaining what a perpendicular bisector is. Okay, so a perpendicular bisector is a line that is going to divide another line segment into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, let's just show by this. Okay, so let's say I have a line segment here. So I'm just gonna draw a line segment quickly. Okay, all right, so the line segment starts at this point A, stops at that point B. Okay, so this is the line AB. Now I want to bisect this line, which means I need a line that's going to divide this into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degrees. So I'm going to use a compass with a pencil to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my compass at the point A here. Okay, just make sure the radius is just slightly over half. We can just estimate the half of the line to be somewhere around here, so anything bigger than this is fine. Okay, I'm gonna draw an arc here. Okay, just a small part of a circle, an arc, right? Then I'm going to put a compass and then I'm going to draw an arc from there. I'm going to draw another arc this side. Oh, I had actually forgotten to draw another arc from here onto the side there. Okay, so you have to draw an arc on top and at the bottom, and then on this point draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. Right, now I'm going to now join this point and that point with a straight line. So we're gonna do that here quickly, and there we have it. This line cuts the line AB into two exactly equal parts at an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, let's check and see if this is true. So I'm just gonna measure this part A to this. Okay, that's an estimated 56 millimeters or 5.6 centimeters. It's up to you to decide how you want to do this. Let's see the length of the other side from here. Okay, yes, it's also coming up to 56 millimeters. So it does actually bisect this line into two equal parts. This angle, let's see if it's going to be 90 degrees. I'm just going to take this protractor here and just to check quickly. And yes, it is indeed 90 degrees, which means all the other angles are going to be also 90 degrees. So there we have it. We've drawn a perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Okay, so now we're going to construct a 90-degree angle from a line. Okay, so the best way to do that to be, okay, so let's have our line segment here. All right, so we have our line there. Okay, so in order to draw a 90-degree angle, let's say I want to draw it at this point here. Okay, so what basically we are okay, so we are now going to take our compass. All right, so I'm just gonna take my compass quickly, draw okay, so I'm gonna draw an arc on this point and then arc on that point. Okay, right, so I've got those two arcs, so I'm just gonna increase my radius on my compass a little bit. Okay, so from this point I'm going to draw, okay, maybe let me increase it to that. I'm going to draw an arc here. Okay, now without changing this radius, we're gonna put our compass onto this point there and draw another arc. So we can see that the two arcs are meeting at this point. So from that point where I drew my angle from up to this point, I'm just going to join those two with a straight line, or maybe extend it to wherever I can. So there we have it. This line should be perpendicular to that line. Let's check if that's true. Here's my protractor. I'm going to put, oh yes, and it is 90 degrees. So I've successfully drawn a 90-degree angle. But now I want to draw a 45-degree angle. Okay, so 45 degrees is half of 90 degrees. Basically what I need to do is I need to divide this angle into two equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to draw an arc from this point where the angle is, that point there. Okay, I can draw the arc at the same point as before, or even another point, it doesn't matter. Okay, just gonna draw an arc there, but now I'm not gonna change the radius, and I'm gonna draw an arc there. Okay, so now we're just gonna slightly increase the radius of that on the compass. Okay, now I'm gonna place my compass onto this point there and draw an arc over there, and I'm just gonna place my compass on that point there and draw an arc over here. Okay, now let me take a ruler and just join those two. Okay, so I'm just gonna join that, and there we have it. This angle should be 45, and that other angle being a 45. Okay, let's just quickly check if that's true. Okay, right, let's see, here's the protector, and okay, there it is, it's at 45 degrees. Let's check from the side here, and there it is, it's 45 degrees. So we've successfully bisected this angle into two equal parts. Okay, so now we want to draw a 60-degree angle. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw my line segment over here. Okay, now I want my 60-degree angle to be drawn from this point over here. All right, so let me just quickly do something like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my compass. Okay, put the compass onto that point. All right, and I'm just gonna draw an arc here, and without changing the radius, draw another slightly bigger arc over there. Okay, now without changing the radius, I'm gonna come and put my compass onto that point and draw an arc here. Okay, so let's join those 2 points, this point here and that point over there. And there we have it. This angle should be 60 degrees. Okay, let's take a protractor and check quickly. All right, so here's the protractor on this line, and yes, it is 60 degrees. Okay, there we go, it is 60 degrees. Right, so that's a 60-degree angle. Okay, now I want to use that to draw a 30-degree angle. 30 degrees is obviously half of 60, so that means I'm bisecting this angle here. All right, so what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to take my pencil and my compass. Okay, put the compass on that point there. I can make a slightly smaller arc, it's much better. Then just draw an arc there and then arc there without changing the radius. But because I'm bisecting, that means I'm just gonna need to increase this radius a little bit. Okay, then come on this point here, draw an arc there and draw an arc there. Okay, so we can see these two meet at that point, so I'm just gonna draw an angle there. Okay, so that should be 30 degrees and that should be 30 degrees. Okay, let's check with our protractor quickly. Right, that is indeed 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So can you see they are 30 degrees each? So we have successfully bisected this angle. Okay, so this is the kind of cool stuff that you can do with your ruler and compass in geometry. So I'm sure by now at the end of this video you should have been able to draw a perpendicular bisector to a line. You should be able to construct a 90-degree angle without a protractor, and you should be able to construct and bisect a 60-degree angle without a protractor. So thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, or you actually liked it, or you think it's really cool, then please like this video and please subscribe to my math channel as well. And it would be good if you click on the notifications so that every time I put another video you can have access to it and you can see it. And be sure to follow my Instagram page, mathematics page, Russell M Mathematics, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.